Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys I'm going to make my stockfish meat today to eat with drink. Can be wine, a glass of wine or beer or whiskey or anything, just to chill out with, to relax and enjoy yourself. So as you can see, I'm slicing my tomatoes now. So first I have steamed my stockfish. Until it's very soft. I've cooked the stockfish, steam it to become very soft. Then I'm going to oil in my pan. So I'm going to add my pepper, fresh pepper. Just slice those fresh pepper and I'm putting them inside the oil. So I'm going to stir it now. Then that's my onions. I'm going to add my onions to the pepper now. So I'm putting my onions inside the pot now with the pepper. So that's my onions. I just put the onions inside the pot now to fry it. So I only have my pepper, salt, onions inside the pot now. Onions, tomatoes, pepper. You need to stir it. So colorful, makes you feel like eating. As the next pot there is my stockfish, boiled stockfish, steamed stockfish. So I'm adding my salt now. So that's my Maggi. Again, adding my Maggi cube to the onions, the tomatoes and the fresh pepper inside the pot now. That's my Maggi. So I'm going to add the next one now. That's the last Maggi. I'm going to add it now. So I'm going to stir it now. And don't forget to wash your hand for hygienic purpose, so that you feel comfortable when touching your food items, when touching the food ingredients you're using. So that's my stockfish. So I'm going to remove all the bones away from the stockfish. Clean the stockfish by removing all the bones away, because I don't want any bone of the stockfish. So I'm going to remove. See, now it's very soft because I have boiled the stockfish, steam the stockfish with removing the skin now, removing the bone. So I hate to chew my stockfish and bite into bone inside my stockfish. So I'm going to remove all the bone away from the stockfish to make it a bone-free stockfish. Delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I can't wait until it's ready. So I'm trying to remove all the bones now. Nice, very nice, as you can see it now. So with this you can just serve it with a glass of wine or whiskey or beer and enjoy it and relax. Or you can as well have it on your side of a food, a goosey soup or bowl of soup, rice and stew, anything you can eat it with, anything you choose to, you can eat it with. So there it is now, inside the pot. You can see it now. So the stockfish is inside now. I'm stirring it. You can see it now. I'm stirring it. It's just stockfish, tomatoes, onions, Maggi, and pepper. Stockfish. So I'm going to cover it now to steam together. So it's ready now. I'm going to serve it now. Delicious. Can you see it? So I'm going to show you guys now how I eat my stockfish. Just stockfish. That's my stockfish. It's yummy.